Hi guys, and this is Grace again, and welcome back again to my channel. Every couple has a story and life update. Past 2 weeks I've been so sick. I just can't describe how I feel. I have a fever, then a bad cough and bad cold, and I just can't able to do some video. I'm just so sick. So right now I'm a little bit better, but I still have no appetite to eat. But life goes on. And I'm going to the chicken coop because I'm gonna show you the update of our chicken. So we have a new born chicks that I think it's 11 chicks now, and they are very healthy. And the sad part is we lose some of our chicken, and it's really sad because one of our golden buff died this morning, and we just don't know why. We try our best to take good care of them, and we also do a disinfectant in the area. Zaman. And we have a lots of chickens now that we quarantine. It's just so sad that we lost, I think, 3 chicken now. And because maybe the weather here affects the chicken, because it's hot and sometimes it rains in the afternoon, and they just can't handle.
The silky, the black silky?
Yeah.
It's got 5 toes.
You really?
Yeah, look.
Wow.
Look.
So my husband showed the black silky that he have 5. How many?
It's got 5 instead of 4.
5 foot?
Yeah, it's got 5. See, the rest of them got 4.
Yeah. That's. We have also another one, the other chicks. It's like a special.
Yeah, look at him.
Because the way he walk and the legs is not straight.
There's white one out here.
So as you can see,
It's got feathers growing on its legs.
Yeah.
Oh, hello, I didn't see you. I'm sorry.
It's really sad because we have a lots of chicken now that we quarantine this area here. Even the one rooster, the little John, he's sick also. So this is the chicken that we quarantine in this area here. Hi, you guys getting better so that you can go out? I'm gonna check them. So last night I've been here in the chicken coop, and I've been checking all the chicken if they have some cold. So 2 of them got some cold, and we have 3, 4, 5, 6, 8 chicken here that we've been quarantined. And some of the chicken we turned them loose because they are getting better. So we collected eggs today. I think 7 pieces of eggs, and you can see. Hi, are you getting better? This is the black astrolabe here and some Rhode Island red that we've been quarantined, and one rooster. This rooster here, the little John, the other side of his face is swelling, and it's good thing that they eat. They don't lose their appetite. I'm gonna ask my friend Bastion if they drink a lot of water today. So we give them some antibiotics, and also tomorrow morning we're gonna give them some lime juice. We're gonna give them in a drop of lime juice for their immune system. So we still have hello, look at daddy, what happened to this? We have more here that we quarantine also. So 15 chicken that we quarantine right now. So we separate some of them here because we don't want to be stuck in one place because there are many. So some of them are over here, some of them is the golden buff. So we've been talking to my husband this morning that we just don't want to be stressed about being sick with them, and we just try our best to take good care with them and give them some antibiotics. So that's some of the chickens that is been quarantined over there. So even me, I've been sick just like the chicken. So this is what life is. We just need to be hold on for now and need to be strong because we don't know what's coming on, and we just keep praying that they will get better soon. What? An egg? I don't see. Oh yeah, I see some egg, and the that one of the hen get some egg.
He was sitting there when I come in.
Did you not see that one when you check? So I'm gonna show you the egg. So so we have one fresh egg here. So you can see it's nice egg. Another blessing for today. Fresh brown egg. So my husband has been feeding the chicken. It's over there.
Yeah, this. See, you got 5 toes. Look.
Oh, I mean 5 foot, 5 toes. Sorry, it's see? 5 foot, guys. Sorry.
See, look.
Yeah, it's 5. The one of ours, black silky. She got some
5 toes.
5 toes. Sorry, it's 5 toes, not 5 feet. 5 feet. So I'm gonna put it in the container there, baby.
Okay.
So.
And our large flat one there, it's 15 feathers on his legs.
Yeah. So we put some of the eggs over in this container here, and I'm gonna wash my hands, and I'm gonna check the other chicks in the pullet pen. Need to wash before we go inside to make sure that it's clean before I go inside, because I don't want that they will get sick also. So I use this antibiotic hand soap. And we just don't know why our chicken is sick, because there's no other chickens go inside in the chicken coop. So maybe because the weather, rain and shine.
Sino ba gisip o na bang masagol sa lain ba?
Wala naman na gikuan. Check naman na. So I'm gonna go.
Ipa-check up niya. Ipa-check up ba siya kasi may nagluya ana?
Where? The white one?
Yeah, the big one.
Oh, that's the, what's the name of the, what you called with that chicken, baby?
I believe he belongs to the buff.
The buff?
Yeah.
Oh, look at this. Yeah, there's a feeder in the legs. Oh, this white chicken there. There's looks like a feeder on his legs. It's really cute.
Well, look. We found the black silky. It's got 5 toes.
So I'm gonna check.
Huh?
I'm gonna check the chicks here. So here's the chicks here. So we have 19 chicks. We already transferred them from the brooding box, and we transfer here in the pullet pen because we have a newborn chicks that we already put in the brooding box. So that's our healthy chicks, 19 healthy chicks. So we don't want them to get sick, so that's why we just maintain the cleanliness here inside, and we also disinfect, disinfectant. And this chicken here, they don't vaccinated. It's not vaccinated, so but this seems so very healthy. Even they are in the brooding box, they've been jumping all around inside, and my husband can't even open the door because they keep jumping. Hi, hello, Mama's here. Mama is here. Come here. Roger, bring some foods, please. Bring some foods. I'm gonna give them some foods. It's over there in the container. Hi, Mama's here. Mama's here. Mama will not gonna hurt all of you. Mommy will not hurt you. Come here. Come to Mama. Come to Mama. Come to Mama. Here. I give them some food so that they can go closer to me. Here. Sit down, Jill, because they will scared. Georgia, we're gonna feed them. Put your hands down, yeah, like that. Say krrr.
You see my friend?
I think they're a little bit scared for now. They are in that side.
No.
Yes, one of them is gonna come to you. They're over on that side. Hey, I have some foods here. Come on. Yeah, come on. Come to Mama. Come to Mama. Now they're eating. Hey. Come on. Come on.
I'm just gonna put it there.
Don't scare them. Come here. Come. There's more foods here. Come on. Come on. They're so cute. They are 1 month old. Bigger. They are bigger than the last time. Much bigger. As you can see. Oh, don't bite Mama, huh? That's nice. Some of them is been. Oh. That's how. There. This batch of chicks, they are very good, and they are very active also. Ouch! Don't. That's too much. Okay. I just put it in the soil because it's only small left. They are much active and energetic than the last batch that we got. Oh, you gonna jump on me? You gonna jump on Mama? And they are more fat also, and just very enjoyable to watch. Look at that. You can see the difference from our previous chicks. So we not do some vaccine on them, and we need to observe first before we put some vaccine, and because the previous chicken that we got, they are vaccinated but they still sick, so we just need to be and you know, the previous chicks that we got, even though they are vaccinated, when they're babies, some of them died. I think 6 of them, 6 chicks died even though they are vaccinated. So in this batch here, we not lost one of them, so that's a good thing. That so even though we're not vaccinated on these chicks here, we not even lost one of them, and this seems to be very healthy. So that's why we just
Yeah, they're a lot more energetic.
yeah,
Growing quicker too.
yeah, they are growing quicker also. Come here to mama, come to mama, come to mama, come to mama. They're so cute. Virgie, I need more food. Hi. Hi. They want to play. Daddy, do you want to play with me? They just want to play with me. Come here. Come, 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 come. Come, 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 come. Here you go. Here you go. I think they like my nails. Look at my nails. They love this one. They want to play with my nails because there's a glitters on it. Hi. Some of them are eating there. They even eat all the foods. Yes, almost this container here is almost empty. So maybe when all the chickens that we quarantine, if they get better, all of them, we're gonna do some breeding again. Mama gonna go out. This seems very healthy, and they've been eating good also, so that's a good news. And some of our chickens are over here. Virgil has been feeding the big chicken.
But there's still sheep.
Yeah. Whoa! What happened?
The hen wants to eat, but the sheep's getting in her way.
Hmm.
Another cloud. Why they're not eating the food?
Virgil is enjoying the chickens also. Oh, by the way guys, the volcano here in the Mount Canlaon volcano has been erupted 2 days ago, guys, right baby? 2 days ago, and we're all okay here.
Mom,
And
the
we have
volcano explode.
some of our friends living here in Canlaon, and thankfully that they are okay. They are all okay, and
The volcano
right now it's been flooding with ashes. One of the falls there in Canlaon has been lots of ashes on it, and some of the places there in Canlaon has been flooding with ashes, so that's not really good. Hopefully that it will stop and no one hurts, and hopefully that it will stop the flooding, because you know that waterfalls is very nice to visit, and it's been flooding with ashes now.
Ma'am, it's gonna be a long time. It's gonna explode.
When that volcano erupts, I even smell the sulfur from here in our place, but it not last long. Just go away. Oh, there's nice sunset over there. Sunset.
Same. It's same.
Yep, the same.
So I think that's all for today, guys. That's all for today, and I'm gonna upload more videos again soon. So I really do appreciate all of you for watching my videos and for supporting my YouTube channel. So I'm gonna do some video again soon. So stay tuned for now, and thank you so much again for subscribing my YouTube channel and for all the likes, comment. I really do appreciate all of you. So thank you so much again, guys, and see you on my next video. So stay tuned for now.